Okay, we're going to begin our second test. As you've seen previous on the 16-inch liter fan, we had a wonderful low reduction carbon monoxide using the EnviroGenCat technology. We're now going to test the 24-inch liter fan with a 9 horsepower Vanguard engine using our GenCat. As you can see, we're testing the same way as we did before. Probe is in the center of the exhaust outlet, and again we're using the TIF 8500A carbon monoxide analyzer. We're going to make sure we're zeroed out at 1. Now 0. We're zeroed out now.
0 ppm.
Okay, we're going to begin our test. Let's fire up the Vanguard 9 horsepower engine.
0 ppm.
Well, as you can see, our numbers came down pretty low. This engine seems to be working absolutely perfectly. The EnviroGenCat is actually working at a better than 98%, almost a 99% efficiency. So this is the product you should have. This is a product you should have on every gas burning EnviroGenCat. EnviroGenCat product you should have.